The journey to freedom in India began with a fierce uprising in 1857, led by brave souls like Rani Lakshmibai. This raw spirit of resistance sparked the formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885, marking the start of a new era. Moderates sought change through petitions, but extremists like Bal Gangadhar Tilak ignited the call for Swaraj, declaring it a birthright. The partition of Bengal fueled the Swadeshi movement in 1905, urging a boycott of foreign goods. Mahatma Gandhi's arrival redefined the struggle with Satyagraha, advocating for non-violent resistance. But the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 pushed the nation to launch the non-cooperation movement in 1920. This movement brought leaders like Sarojini Naidu and Maulana Azad to the forefront, marking a true mass political action. Meanwhile, revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh sacrificed everything to awaken the nation. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, challenging British rule from outside. The demand for Purna Swaraj in 1929 led to the civil disobedience movement, starting with the iconic Dandi Salt March. This movement mobilized millions, with leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at the helm. The Quit India movement in 1942 became a powerful, leaderless uprising, echoing the call of do or die. Post-war developments, like the RAN Mutiny, further weakened British control. All these struggles, by pacifists, revolutionaries, and global leaders, culminated in our hard-won independence on 15th August 1947. Guided by Jawaharlal Nehru and unified by Sardar Patel, we established a free nation, rooted in the principles drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.